Hey y'all, this is AJ with Blackhawk Bushcraft. I wanted to quickly do a unboxing of this product, Firemaple Antarcti 1.2 liter bush pot. And I've seen these around, not like I need another bush pot, for heaven's sakes. I have plenty of these, but Prime Days was last week and they were running a deal on this. I think this retails for around 38 or 39 bucks, and this was around $30. And I was like, what the heck? That seems like a pretty good deal. So I'm not going to pay freaking $39 for it. I mean, $30, yes, but with that extra $9, I could like get myself a hot dog and an order of fries or something. So let's take a look at this. This is going to be a pretty short video. Haven't used this pot, so I can't really give it a really great review, but just wanted to kind of give my initial impressions. Okay, so it comes in a nice laundry bag. That's awesome. I could use that for my stinky socks when I'm out camping or bushcrafting. Nice. Okay, so it comes with a nice little laundry bag for stinky socks. And then this is the bush pot. That actually is a nice bush pot. What really intrigued me with this was the locking lid on the top. Oh. Comes with a cardboard donut. Survival rations, in case you ever need to just have something to quickly give yourself some nice carbohydrates. You can eat this nice cardboard donut. Whatever. A steamer tray. You know, this actually would be pretty freaking useful. Oh my gosh. So think about it. Okay, so I'm cooking something in here, maybe a hot soup, and I've got my steamer tray. You could like steam dumplings or something in the tray, or vegetables or something. That's actually, I have to say, that's actually pretty freaking cool. A steamer tray. Oh man, I've got the wheels spinning in my head on that. Awesome, awesome. I'm in a 1.2. Okay, now this is what I love. Check that out. Look how nice and sturdy that bale is. Oh my gosh. That's fantastic. Wow. Not flimsy at all. That is a really nice pot, actually. You got your bat wings to hold it. Okay. Well, Firemaple, I'm sold. I'm thinking this is actually much better than some of my other bush pots. I mean, specifically from a locking lid standpoint, I can think of all sorts of reasons why a locking lid would be really, really cool. Specifically that it doesn't take much to just quickly push those down, so that locks really simple and unlocks really nice. Okay, well, I haven't used a Firemaple. Maybe some of you have. Maybe you can give me your thoughts and impressions. It seems like a really nice stainless steel pot. This might actually replace and do me better than my Pathfinder bush pot, my 1 quart Pathfinder bush pot. So I'm loving it so far. So if you have experience with this specific type of bush pot, not this type, the specific brand is what I meant, the Firemaple 1.2 liter Antarctic, is that what it was? Or Antarcti? Antarcti, yeah, Antarcti 1.2 liter. Give me your comments, drop a note, let me know if you like it, how you've used it, if you've used the steamer or other ways you've actually used this pot in your bush cooking. I'd be really interested to know that. And also, if you enjoy the flavor of a cardboard donut, let me take a taste. Well, it's pretty dang hard to eat. Maybe that's what the steamer's for. You put this in the steamer and it softens it up so it makes it a little bit more palatable. Yep, it just tastes like a piece of freaking cardboard. Like most of the pizzas at Little Caesars. Garbage. And then this nice little laundry bag. I know it's not a laundry bag, people, I'm just kidding. It's a little bag to carry your bush pot so that you can maybe, you know, I don't know, look really awesome. But it's mesh. It reminds me of a laundry bag, so multi-use, you know, carry your bush pot and your stinky laundry all in one. Okay, and that's it. Until next time, please like and subscribe. Please share your thoughts. Really appreciate your support of the channel. Give me your thoughts on this Firemaple 1.2 liter Antarcti stainless steel bush pot. Take care.